The question says write the structures of the following organic halogen compounds. For these given compounds we have to write the structure. Okay, first of all we select the parent chain. We have 2 chloro, first compound is there, 2 chloro 3 methyl pentane. Okay, pentane is there. How many carbon? 5 carbon. Parent chain 1 2 3 4 and it is 5 is there. Okay, then it says 2 chloro. Okay, 1 2 2 chloro, second carbon halogen. Then says 3 methyl to the third carbon methyl group is attached. You can satisfy the valency of carbon by attaching hydrogen. It is H2 and it is H. We have it is H and it is CH3 there. Okay, so we got a 2 chloro 3 methyl and this is pentane is there. Okay, next compound, second one, it says para-bromochlorobenzene. Benzene ring is there. Benzene ring, this is the benzene ring is there. Benzene ring. Okay, and it says para-chloro, this is the para position. So in the para position we attach para-bromo is there. We have para-bromo. Okay, this is ortho meta para and it says chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene is what? This is what we have, chlorobenzene. Okay, this is chlorobenzene is there. Then it says para bromo. So in this chlorobenzene, this is the para position, we attach Br. So para bromochlorobenzene. So Cl will attach here. Okay, so this is chlorobenzene, this portion is what? Chlorobenzene, and this is what? Para position Br is there. So para bromochlorobenzene. Okay, third one, it says 1 chloro 4 ethyl cyclohexane is there. Cyclohexane, parent chain, cyclic compound is there. We have cyclic compound. Benzene ring is not there. Cyclic ring is there. Cyclic ring. Okay, hexane. Okay, it says 1 chloro. Let's say I attach a Cl here, 1 chloro. Okay, and 4 ethyl. 1 2 3 4 4 ethyl. You can mention C2H5 is there. Okay, so 1 chloro 4 ethyl. 1 chloro 4 ethyl. That is correct. 1 2 3 and it is 4 is there. So 1 chloro 4 ethyl and cyclohexane. Move on to the next one. We have the third one. In this case it says third one is done. Fourth one. Move on to the fourth one. It says 2 bracket. You can see 2 bracket 2 chlorobenzene. Bracket is there. It means like there is a sub parent chain is there. In the parent chain, one mini parent chain is there, and in that mini parent chain there is branching is there. We'll see 2 and bracket 2 chlorophenyl, 1 iodooctane. This is octane is there. How many carbon are there in the parent chain? We have 8 carbon. Let me write. This is what we have: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and it is 8 is there. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 iodo. So to the first carbon we attach iodine group. Okay, then it says second, to the second carbon I come here, second carbon. Okay, it says 2 chlorophenyl. Okay, in general when we have, you can see Cl is there, Cl. Okay, this benzene, phenyl is what? Benzene ring. But phenyl we use when benzene ring is acting as a branch group. Okay, phenyl is used when the benzene ring acting as a branch group. Okay, phenyl and if we use benzene in the nomenclature, means benzene is acting as a parent chain. Like in the second case, you know, benzene is acting as a parent chain. Okay, and if I mention phenyl means it is a part of the branch group. Okay, so it says 2 chlorophenyl. So you can see to the second carbon phenyl group means benzene ring I attached. Okay, and then it says 2 chloro in the phenyl group 1. Keep in mind we start numbering from here, from this carbon. Why? Because this carbon is attached to the parent chain. So we start numbering from here, 1 2. So 2 chloro is there. Cl is attached to second carbon in the phenyl group. Okay, so we got it is 1 and it is 2 is there. Okay, so 2 bracket, it is 2 chlorophenyl. It is 2 chlorophenyl. This portion is named as a 2 chlorophenyl and attached to the second carbon in the parent chain. So we got a 2 chlorophenyl, 1 iodooctane is there. The name we have, we can attach hydrogen. If you want to attach CH3, it is CH2, CH2, CH2 and CH2 is there, CH2 is there, H, and this is what? H2 is there. Then Move on to the fifth one. In this case, perfluorobenzene is nothing but hexafluorobenzene. Okay, hexafluoro. So you can see benzene ring is there, and in every portion you can see in general to each carbon hydrogen is attached. We remove hydrogen and attach fluorine. How many? You can see fluorine, remove hydrogen, attach fluorine. Okay, so this is what hexafluorobenzene we can say. Okay, in this case we can mention benzene because benzene is acting as a parent chain. If I mention phenyl, it means it is a part of the group. Okay, not the parent chain in the compound. Okay, sixth one is there. Sixth one. 4-tert butyl 4-tert in the sense tertiary, and keep in mind when it says tert butyl means tertiary carbon of the butyl group. Okay, but means 4 carbon are there, so we can mention tertiary carbon is attached to the parent chain. Okay, 4-tert butyl 3-iodoheptane. You can see heptane, how many carbon? 7 carbon are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 is there. Okay, it says 3-iodo, so I mentioned 1 2 3 to the third carbon iodine is attached, and then we go to the fourth. Okay, tert butyl is there. Butyl, tertiary carbon in the butyl group is attached to the fourth carbon. The meaning of this word is what? 4-tert butyl means tertiary carbon of the butyl group is attached to the fourth carbon. This is the fourth carbon. So you can see we have C and C, and it is C is there. This is the tertiary carbon, and carbon attached to 3 other carbon is the tertiary carbon. Carbon attached to 2 other carbon is secondary carbon. Okay, so this is butyl group, and in this case tertiary carbon is attached to the parent chain. So we can take this C, and here we have C, and it is C, and it is C is there. Okay, this is the third carbon in the parent chain. This is the fourth carbon is there, and this is, you can see tert butyl is there. Tert butyl, in this butyl group the tertiary carbon attached to the fourth carbon in the parent chain. This is the structure. If you want to satisfy the valency, H3 is there, it is H2 is there, H2 is there, and H, here we have H, and it is H2, and this is H3 is there. Okay, and here also you can mention this is your H3, and H3 is there. Tertiary carbon will not have hydrogen. Okay, move on to the next one. We have seventh. It says 1 bromo 4. Okay, very interesting compound is there. 4 sec means secondary butyl. You can see in the parent chain to the fourth carbon, secondary to the parent chain to the fourth carbon in the parent chain. You can see secondary butyl in the sense secondary carbon in the butyl group. Okay, tert butyl means tertiary carbon in the butyl group. Okay, secondary butyl means secondary carbon in the butyl group. Okay, 2-methyl benzene is there. Let me write benzene ring. We have the benzene ring. It says 2-methyl. 1 bromo is there. Let me attach. This is 1. Okay, this is second carbon, so we can mention methyl. CH3 is there. And then it says 1 bromo 2 methyl done, and this is 4 secondary butyl is there. 4 secondary butyl. Then we can see 4 carbon should be there. C, and I mentioned C is there. So you can see this is secondary carbon. Carbon attached to 2 other carbon, secondary carbon. So this carbon will be attached to the parent chain. Okay, so you can mention 1, 2, 3, and 4 is there. 3 and it is 4. So here we can mention C. We can see, and we have C, and it is C is there. Okay, so you can see secondary carbon in the butyl group is attached to the fourth carbon in the benzene ring. Okay, you can satisfy the valence. It is CH3, it is H2, it will have 1 hydrogen. Okay, that's it. So very interesting, because interesting part we have tert butyl, secondary butyl. Move on to the last one. We have sixth one. No, sorry, eighth one is there. 1,4-dibromobute 2-in is there. 1,4-dibromobute 2-in. This is the parent chain. Bute 2-in, double bond is there. How many carbon? Bute 4 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it says 2-in to the second carbon, double bond is attached to the second carbon. And it says 1,4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1,4. And dibromo means Br is attached here also, and Br is attached here also. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1,4 dibromo. In this case it will be H2, it is also H2, and we attach one hydrogen here, satisfy the valency of hydrogen carbon by attaching hydrogen. So this is 1,4-dibromo-bute-2-ene. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to the channel.